What's up, guys? Vlad from VSM AutoLife. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, so I'm pretty excited to do this one on this Milwaukee cordless buffer. It is a kit with 2 batteries, buffing pads, the tool, and the charger itself. I picked it up for $390 with tax on Amazon. Let's take a look what's inside. Before I go ahead and open it, let's take a look in the back. So the first thing that it obviously tells you is it's a cordless buffer. You do not need to plug it in into a wall outlet. You can just take it anywhere with you and everywhere that you need to go. And this is going to be very useful for me because I currently live in apartments and I don't have a shop to work on. And instead of running an 100-foot extension cord, I can simply take this buffer. It's 6.4 pounds in weight, and they advertise that one charge will get you enough to do a full buff on a full-size car. Let's take it out of the box. So the first thing you get is your polishing pads, your buffing pads. They are 7-inch. 7-inch foam pads. You got your wool pad for cutting. Handle for grip. We've got another 7-inch foam polishing pad. This is going to be your backing pad, backing plate, which your pads are attached to. Another style of handle. Alright, and the tool itself. This kit came with the M18 lithium XC 5.0 batteries, and we actually get 2 of these in this kit, which is great. This needs to be charged. Rapid charge charger. I actually don't know how fast these charge, but we'll find out. And here's the actual tool itself, guys. Just like any other standard buffer, you have your speed control all the way up to 2000 RPMs, which I never actually go that fast when I'm buffing. I'm usually anywhere between 1000 and 14, but whatever works for you. You got a safe trigger lock. Also, I was really impressed with how fast this rapid charger charges batteries. These are the M18 batteries, and it went from 1 to 4 bars in about half an hour.